In this short video, I will show you how Trip Logbook logs your trips automatically, using the Places trip trigger. As you leave the current location for which you've created a place, the trip is started automatically. Tap on View Trip in Progress to view the details of the current active trip. Your current location will be displayed on the map. The interactive map contains useful information associated with the active trip. You only need to do the following procedure once. The first time you travel to each of your destinations. When you arrive at your destination, you simply end the active trip. Trip Logbook will present the Edit Trip screen, with most fields auto-populated. Tap on the Create New Place button, next to the address in the Travel To field. The map will be positioned at your current location. Add a name for this place and select the place type. Tap the Address Lookup button to retrieve the address for this place. If you prefer, you can also enter a more descriptive address manually. Save the place. Add your first trip reason. Set the trip type for this trip. If required, you can change your opening and closing odometer readings here. Save the trip. The 2 places you created were saved here. These can now be reused for future trips. Those same 2 places were used to create the route attributes. These route attributes will be used to auto-complete the trip reason and trip type when logging your next trip between the 2 places. Let's see what happens when you make the return trip. As you leave the current location, Trip Logbook will start a trip automatically. Tap on View Trip in Progress to view the details of the current active trip. Your current location will be displayed on the map. Once you arrive at your destination, Trip Logbook will log the trip automatically. This time around, your 2 places were used. In addition, all your trip details were recorded. All this was done without any manual intervention. Review your logged trip details. If changes are required, simply edit the trip. If you are happy with the trip details, flag the logged trip as correct by tapping Confirm. You can view the trip route. This was the trip's point of departure. This was the trip's destination. Tap on the Information button to see the detailed trip information. By following the simple procedure demonstrated in this video, you'll soon have all your places and route attributes created. You will quickly reach the point where your trips will be logged accurately and automatically, without having to launch the app. If you experience any problems, please verify that you have granted Trip Logbook the appropriate location permissions. This video will always be available via the Quick Start Videos link on the main menu. If you have any questions, recommendations, or if you need help, please do not hesitate to contact us using the support link on the main menu.